Les from Ridgid. I'm here with the Ridgid new Power Spin. It's a dual functional drain cleaning tool that gives you the functionality of manually winding the tool, or you can take the handle off and put a cordless drill on the end of the drive up to 500 RPM and clear it that way. Polypropylene drum, so it's not going to rust or dent, and you have a 7.6 metre, 6.3 millimetre Maxcore kink resistant cable, and it'll clean lines from 20 mil up to 50 mil. And it has a nice auto feed trigger, so you can get the progress of the cable down the line while automatically either way. That's just, so for a manual clog, we'll do it with a handle. That's the Ridgid Power Spin.